Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 stuck in airplane mode. Airplane mode is designed to cut down all wireless connections while in the air. Once the flight is over, you can easily disable this feature at the control center. It's convenient, but the airplane mode could malfunction and keep switching on sometimes. You can't receive or make calls, pair with Bluetooth devices or connect to the internet. If your iPhone 15 is stuck in airplane mode, the issue often traces back to the device's operating system, SIM card, network settings, and the internal parts. Correcting this problem is easy once you know where to look. Here, we'll walk you through the practical steps to turn off flight mode stuck in iPhone 15. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Turn off airplane mode in settings. The quickest way to disable airplane mode is tap the icon from Control Center. If the 5G or cellular signal bar is quickly replaced and your iPhone 15 still shows airplane mode icon all the time at the top right corner, then try to switch it off in settings. To do that, navigate to the Settings app. Locate the airplane mode icon and move the toggle to off status. If it's already off, turn it on for a while then tap it off again. See if you manage to take iPhone 15 off airplane mode now. Step 2. Let your iPhone 15 restart. Press and hold both the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide it to shut down your iPhone 15, wait for about 30 seconds, and then press the side button again to turn it back on. This takes less than a minute and should do the trick to turn off airplane mode stuck in phone 15. Step 3. Take out the SIM card then reinsert. Occasionally, your iPhone 15 may not detect or read the SIM card, blocking you from connecting to the mobile network. As a result, it comes back to the flight mode, leading you to believe that you can't turn off airplane mode on iPhone 15. To check it out, eject the SIM tray with a tool or a small paperclip, then take out the SIM card. Make sure it has no visible damage and is not dirty. Then, reseat the SIM card to the tray firmly and insert it. Now, restart your iPhone 15 and it should come off the airplane mode. Step 4. Update iPhone 15 to the latest iOS version. Outdated software may cause conflicts that impact the system's operation. If you suspect iPhone 15 gets stuck in airplane mode due to it, update the operating system. You can download and install the latest version of iOS over the air in the Settings app. Or, you can attach your iPhone 15 to a PC or a Mac and use iTunes, Finder, or Apple Devices app to update the most recent software. After the OS upgrade, check if you manage to get phone 15 out of the stuck airplane mode. Step 5. Restore network settings to default values. This is useful to force your iPhone 15 to re-establish the connection to the cellular network. Here's what you need to do. Tap to open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and choose the Reset Network Settings option from the menu that appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and trigger the reset process. If your iPhone 15 still keeps showing airplane mode, then repeat the steps and choose Reset All Settings to see if the issue is resolved. Step 6. Erase all data and settings on iPhone 15. This will clear all your personal data and files, so make a backup of your iPhone 15 first using iCloud or your computer. Then, open Settings and tap General. Go to the end of the screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, select Erase all content and settings. Complete the instructions that are left until the erase process begins. Set up the device from scratch or restore it from recent backups. Your iPhone 15 should no longer get stuck in flight mode. Step 7. Inspect the device's baseband chip. Your iPhone 15 still keeps going into flight mode? The baseband chip, which controls cellular signals, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, might be damaged. You'd better make a Genius Bar reservation first, then have your iPhone 15 inspected at a local authorized service center. They'll diagnose the internal component and give you all the available repair options. That's all for how to fix iPhone 15 stuck in flight mode. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, Feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.